you're working hard, you've had a go at this question, you're trying to figure out what is it you didn't understand, what is it to do. So hopefully my walk through of it will help you. Then there'll be a similar question for you to do, which we'll walk through again. You can either pause and try it without me or just do it step by step with me. It's entirely up to you. And then I suggest you go back to my website, you find the two similar questions in the PDF linked to this question and have a go at those in your own time. Okay? Perhaps saving one for tomorrow just to make sure you have understood it. So let's have a look at this question. Right, so I've got a circle and I've got a triangle, and I'm asked to work out n. So what I do know is the shaded area equals area of triangle, take area circle. Yeah. The area of circle, that's quite easy, that's pi x squared. Now I need to think about that triangle. Now if I think about that triangle, I'm just going to go a bit bigger, hopefully you can see that. If that is O, that is A, that is B, that is the midpoint, I've got a right angle triangle. I know this angle, this angle here is 30 and that angle is 60 because it's an equilateral triangle and half of 60 is 30. So I can work out A to M. A to M using tan theta equals O over A. I'm just going to make this bigger so we can work through all of it. Equals x over tan 30. What you could have done, x times by tan 60. So AM equals root 3x. That means A to B equals 2 root 3x. Because it is an equilateral triangle and all the sides are the same, we can work out the area of the triangle using the sine rule, half AB sine 60 equilateral triangle. The sides are the same. Using my calculator to give me my number of x squareds, that gives me 3 root 3. So the area of the shaded is 3 root 3 x squared takes pi x squared, which factorizes to be 3 root 3 take pi x squared. Work that out in my calculator. Gives me 2.05456, which to three significant figures is 2.05. Right, now that's that one. Key things, think about the angle properties of shapes. Right, so let's look at this one. Right, have a go, have a think. Right, so you had a bit of thinking. Right, you should have written down area shaded equals area hexagon take circle. Circle is pi x squared, which is the easy mark. Now a hexagon is actually 6 equilateral triangles. So I'm going to work out the area of one of them. So if you think I have got O, E, F, this distance here to the line is the radius, which is x. This angle here is 30 because it's half the equilateral triangle. Right, so I can now work out the length MF or EM. EM using tan theta equals O over A. What are you going to do? Work it out. What does EM equal? You should have written that. So what does EF equal? So that equals, if I've worked out EF, can I work the area out of a single triangle? How do I do that? Correct. Plug your numbers in. Should give you that. How many equilateral triangles are in a hexagon? So what's the area of hexagon? Correct. So what's the area of the shaded? How do you find out? What do you do with the x squared? Perfect. Put that in your calculator. That should have been your answer. Now go and have a look at the questions on the site. Remember, the challenge question will be even harder to really push you to check your understanding.